Welcome to year 0, your couch-powered reboot. This is your moment to leave last year behind, to release the tension you've been carrying and reset your whole energy system. Let's get started. All right, come to an easy seat. Anywhere on the couch, get nice and comfortable. Bring your thumb and your index finger together like this, and then bring your hands to your knees, palms facing down for Jnana Mudra. It's the mudra of inner wisdom, inner knowing. It's just helping you connect to your higher self and pull down those answers that you're looking for, especially when we're ready to reset and reboot and release the past and step into the future. So sit up really tall. Close your eyes and just take a big cleansing breath in through the nose, out the mouth. Now breathe in something you want to let go of. Something you want to stop thinking about or worrying about. Something you want to stop doing or someone you want to stop being. Inhale it in. And on your exhale, imagine you're blowing it far away from you, away from your body, away from your mind, away from your heart. Couple more like that. Inhale in something you're ready to let go of. Exhale, blow it away. Keep breathing like that. Inhale, bring to mind something that you're not taking with you into the new year. And exhale, blow it far away. One more. Good. Gently open your eyes, release your hands, bring your feet together, soles of your feet together, knees are open wide, holding onto your feet, ankles, or lower legs. Inhale for lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Bring your elbows to the inside of your knees and start pushing your legs out on the way down, getting a deeper stretch. Once you get as far as you can go, drop your head and just relax. Tune into your breath and do the same thing. Inhale something that you know you're not taking with you into the new year, and exhale, blow it away. Blow it out of your body, mind, and heart and into the atmosphere. Make it disappear. One more moment like that. We hold so much stuff in our hips that doesn't serve us anymore, that really holds us back and keeps us repeating patterns that we don't want to. So that's why we're in this particular stretch, opening those muscles up and letting all of that energy go. Good. Come back up, stretch your legs out, and shake them out. Inhale for length in the spine. We're just gonna fold forward, unlocking the lower back, the hips, the glutes, the back of the legs, and really helping our body let go of anything our body doesn't want to take with us into the new year, along with our mind and along with our heart. So breathe those things in. Exhale, push them away, blow them away, make them disappear in the atmosphere. Couple more like that. Look at all the space you're making. Look how further down you're folding. One more. Breathe it in. All the things that don't match who you really are, and exhale, blow them away. Make them disappear into the atmosphere. You did it! You released the old, reclaimed your presence, and made space for what's next. And you know what? This is going to be a great year.